Welcome to WizKids TV. Let's see if these cars make it all the way down. We have 3 dinosaurs. Are you ready to push them down? 1, 2, 3. They made it all the way down. Look at the dinosaurs. And we have a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's try to push them down again. 1, 2, 3. They made it down again. Let's see what other cars we have. We have this dinosaur car. Are you ready to push it down with me? Let's go. That was so fast. Let's do it again. Wow! Let's try this one now. That was so fast. Let's see what other cars we have in the bucket. We're going to push them all down. We have a van. Let's push it down. They're so fast. We have a school bus. Are you ready to push the school bus down with me? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what else we have. We have a tractor. Let's push the tractor down. I wonder what else we have. We have a ute. Let's push this car down. Oh, it got stuck. It's too big to go down. Let's try another car. Wow, this is a dinosaur car. Are you ready to push it down with me? It made it all the way down. Let's try this pink race car. What about a speedboat? Let's see if it goes down. It made it all the way down. Let's see what else we have. We have a yellow race car. Let's push this one down. What about this race car? They're making a long line. Let's push this speed car down. Shall we try pushing this forklift down? Let's see if it works. It made it down. We have an ambulance car. Let's push it down. How about we push this super race car down? What about, let's see what else we have. We have an orange race car. Let's push this one down. Now we have, wow, a yellow super race car. Let's push it down. A green speed car. A blue one. We have 3 more. We have a red race car. A black one. And we have a digger. Let's push the digger down. That was so much fun. Thank you for helping me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.